What's up, guys? Zippo Master 67 here. Just wanted to let you guys know I got my lighter fluid and my hazardous Zippo today, and I'm also going to show you how to fill a Zippo. But like I said before, this is my fake one, and I'm not going to fill my real one because I'm going to start collecting them. So let me open the package. I think this one's the Zippo. Yep. Here's the box. And here's the Zippo itself. Looks pretty awesome. Made in USA. Check out the Zippo blue, whatever. This Zippo looks pretty awesome. I'm going to tear the stickers off because I don't like the stickers. I know some collectors might like to keep their stickers on, but I don't, because I'm not like an official collector. I just do it for a hobby. Anyway, got that one off. Let me get this one off. There we go. Now, that's the real Zippo click. Wait. Yeah. Not a stupid fake click like this one. The Zippo looks pretty awesome, guys, I gotta admit. Hold on, focus. F 2012. Which means June 2012. Alright, put that to the side. Now onto the lighter fluid. Let's see, how do I open this one? Just tear it back off. Zippo lighter fluid. Now I'm going to show you how to fill that. Give you size comparison. That's 4 ounces of Zippo fluid. Put these over here to the side for a minute. Now, what you do is, when you open your Zippo, take the insert out, turn it over, and you lift this felt pad thing. Then it should reveal the cotton inside. Then what you do is you take this out somehow. Hold on. Here, hold on a second. See if I can open it like this. Yeah, okay. I'm not really used to opening fluid like that. There we go, heard that. Anyway, then you take this, you fold that up, and you just kind of soak it in fluid here. 4, 5, You wait. Make sure it's all getting soaked. And you squirt some more in there. And I think that should be enough. Then you put the insert back into the case, and it should light. It's my first time lighting it, so looks pretty cool, I guess. Let that burn for a minute. So anyway, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, and I will be sure to put more Zippo videos, and I'll try to buy some more Zippos, and I will let you guys know. See you later.